Got my little chicken army going on. And the girls are starting to look like proper chooks now, finally. Got them for the most part penned up, but still got a bit of work to do, and I got to remove some of these cardamoms so they have more space and light. They got their little tiki carport going on. Yeah, this breadfruit's just starting to get big. Could have fruit in a year now. They're really starting to branch out. And I got a nice bend on my wrong here. Unreal. Good branching. These things can get so big. Soursops are starting to load up. Cacaos are getting fat. That's our biggest load of them yet. A nutmeg tree doing really good here where this old stump used to be. The cut nuts are getting enormous. I expect flowering any day now. Our oldest one flowered, but it's a year older than these guys. And the cut nuts, they're getting 10, 12 feet tall now. Look at these things, unreal. And look at these bananas, unbelievable. One big rack there, one big rack coming there. Got like another big rack right there. These things are enormous. And look at that bicolor's forming. We're getting our first bicolors. Isn't that unreal? And one right behind it too. Oh babies. And look, even the black pepper here, loving all the new rain we just got.